Hi, welcome to week 10. So we're going to start our financing units now. And this week looks like a lot of material, but we are going to focus on the history and the role of health insurance, which is part A of this week. And then we're going to look at the importance of the health insurance industry, which is part B. So that's relatively quick. And then part C on this week shows how healthcare is financed in Great Britain and Canada. We're going to cover this very briefly. And part C, part of this, you'll have some self-assessment questions, but I wanted to include this because there's a lot of constant comparison of the U.S. healthcare system to the free and less expensive care that is available in Canada and Great Britain. But if you look at the slides for this, you'll see that they have their issues too, and they have issues facing their healthcare systems. One of the big issues is the amount of taxes that their citizens pay to help support that system. And the other concern is the long waits for non-urgent care, such as knee replacements, etc. Politicians in our country like to speak about universal health care for all. And I'm not saying whether I'm for it or against it, but like with any system, there are good parts and there's not so good parts. So it's good to learn a little bit about healthcare systems in other countries so that you can also be informed on the pros and cons. Notice now we're on week 10, which is the downhill slide in this course. We have a lot to cover in weeks 10, 11, and 12. Financing is one of the biggest components for you throughout this program because that encompasses a lot of different things that you're going to be learning. You're going to be learning about insurance, different payer models, coding, how costs are managed, etc. So this content you're going to see in reimbursement methods, you're going to see it in your ICD coding classes, you're going to see it in quality management, you're going to see it in a lot of different places. So this is an introduction to what's coming up for you down the road. I hope you enjoy these units as much as I do. I find them very interesting. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to call my office at any time or email me. I'm pretty much wired all the time. So have a good week. Make sure you time manage this week because there's a lot of material to listen to, 3 videos. Take you a little bit over 30 minutes to listen to all 3, and you have your assignments and your discussions and your self-assessment. So talk to you later. Bye.